Welcome to Lucky Wheels. In the moment, the tow truck lost control, leading to continuous flipping on the highway and crashing into an oncoming truck. In the moment, 3 vehicles stopped on the highway, creating a dangerous situation for other drivers. The roads often present us with a mix of heart-pounding close calls and unbelievable driving feats that leave us astonished. This video was created for educational purposes and includes valuable original text commentary. Let's get it on. They were obviously paying zero attention to the road, or didn't even get his attention. Drivers, please drive with care, even though you are in a rush for time. People, this is the consequence of running a red light. Do not imitate this. No, never drive into the influence of alcohol or medications that may impair your cognitive function. The rain made it impossible for him to brake in time at that moment. Oh dear, stop completely at red lights, man. It's your turn to yield. Hey, stay behind and never cut into someone else's lane, okay? Never change lanes so suddenly, okay? Oh my God, that was a school bus. Thankfully, there was no collision. Hey man, pay attention to brake lights and traffic flow ahead of you. Oh, that was a crazy driver. Be careful when driving on the road, okay? Don't panic brake, let's keep a safe distance. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Don't try to cross the railway tracks, okay? Just wait for the train to pass. Oh dear, what was wrong with him? Hope the driver is safe. Pay attention to the distance and avoid getting into blind spots. Okay? Stay alert. Oh, the driver reacted just in time in those final seconds. Make sure to keep a safe distance on the road. Everyone!
Whoa! Oh my! Oh!
Why should those who obey the law pay attention to those who break the law?
Whoa! Oh my! Oh!
Staying calm is the most important thing to do in this kind of situation. Be careful, folks, okay? He didn't adjust his speed properly, causing the car to flip over. It seems like he fell asleep. Please be careful. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Oh, it looks like this driver lost control of their vehicle. Keep your attention on the road and your surroundings. At all times, everyone. Thank you for watching videos from start to finish. Share your favorite moment in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. See you next video.